Good morning, everyone. I'm Jyoti here. Today, I'm discuss with you mathematics from class second, chapter number 3, subtraction. Okay, second class math subject, chapter number 3, subtraction, page number 6060. Okay. In this module, the first is topic is subtract. Subtract means you all are known about that sign. This is the sign of minus. So first sum, let us recall. I would like to say that how to minus the one digit from the another one. Clear, students? First of all, let us recall. Here is 5, 7 and 5. So in the ones place, here is 5, tens place is 7. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. And 7 minus 1, 6. Clear, student? So, how to subtract? Same like that. Second sum, ones place, tens place, 8 out of 0. What is the answer? 8. Because here is value of 0. So, nothing should be minus. You can simply write here 8. 6 minus 3, write here 3. Clear, student? So, this is the way for minus the sum. Clear? So, come with me in 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Sum number 1. Here is the value of ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So, this is the solution for the first sum. First sum solution is 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 1, 6, 5 minus 2, 3. Next is, you should all solve these sums same like this way. And second part is arrange vertically and subtract. How to do this sum? Same like similar this. The first part, right here, ones place, tens place, hundred and thousand. Then simply write the questions and how to solve the answer. We can start for minus on the back side. Okay. 9 out of 8, 1, 7 out of 6, 1, 5 out of 4, 1 and 9 out of 2, what is 7? So, what is the answer? 7, 1, 1, 1. Clear, student? So, with the help of your parents, you can solve part 1 and part 2. Next is exercise 3.2, page number 63. The first sum, there is a 4-digit sum, same like that, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So, how to solve this sum? Same this way. Okay. These are without borrow sum and this is the borrowing sum. ये borrow करके करने. These are without borrow. Clear? Borrow means here is number 5. 5 out of 8, it is not possible. So, you can borrow one number from this digits and here is written 15. 15 out of 8 is 7. And what is remain here? Here is 1 minus, then 8 is left. So, 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Clear students? I hope you will understand. Next sum is second part, arrange vertically and subtract. Same like this way, you can write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Same the equations. 2 minus 9, it is not possible, so one borrow from here side, from this side, and here is 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Here is left 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Then 100 place, 5 minus 2, 3. 1000 place, 8 minus 7, 1. So, clear students? This is the next answer. Again, I can solve the sum. 12 out of 9, 3. What is the left here? 5. 5 out of 4, 1. 5 out of 2, 3. 8 out of 7, 1. Clear student? These are the exercise 3.2 part 1 first sum, and this is the second sum. Alright students, so you can solve these two exercises with the help of your parents and know about how to subtract the sum. Clear students? So thanks and have a nice day.